Good night.
Okay. See you, Jonathan. Be careful on your way out.
Yep. Fire. There's a fire. There's a fire.
Where?
I don't know, but so math help night sober.
Okay, well, I'm glad I got here in time.
I hope everything's okay.
Well, you must get out of here before the fire trucks get here. Unless you want to.
Yeah, I think actually hear sirens.
Do you want to stay and watch the fire trucks, or do you want to go home? Is everybody else going outside the side doors?
I don't know, but like I think it's because of the play, like because there's like smoke involved. So
Smoke.
it's because like I think that's what set off the fire. I don't think like the building's actually on fire, but
The play.
like it's because of the play.
Okay.
Yep.
They can't get the alarm shut off?
I don't think they can't, so I think they're gonna have to wait for the fire department. So.
Well,
But.
should we back up to the fire trucks?
Yeah, actually, we are in the fire ring. Okay, anyway.